Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. I hope you guys are having a great day. Y'all, it is time for me to show you the absolute best nude lip gloss kit for dark skinned girls, brown skinned girls, y'all. And you don't have to use a liner. And if you want to see that, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into this video because we ain't got no time to waste. This is so exciting. When I saw this, first of all, I was so happy because, hashtag support a sister. We love supporting a sister around here. So you guys, you should be familiar. And if you're not, I'm going to leave her information in the description box. Cocoa Swatches. If you're on my skin tone, she is here for the girls. She gives us all the swatches for lipsticks, for blushes, for foundations, for all the makeup, so you can go and see what it will look like on your skin tone. So she decided to come up with her own makeup brand called Bare Period. And y'all, the first thing she did was made lip glosses for the girls. She made lip glosses for us, y'all. Nude lip glosses that we don't have to use a liner. Because there's plenty of nude glosses out there, but we always have to use a liner. With these, no liner. So let me show you. First of all, I got the whole kit. And it comes in this little packaging like this. And it's Bare Period. And it says that goes with everything. So, y'all, she did a whole video on why she made these products, why she started a line, all that jazz. Please go check it out. On the back, the shades do have names, but I'm not going to play myself. But thankfully, she numbered them for me, for folks like me. So they're numbered 1 through 4. And 1 is the darkest, 4 is the lightest. And at the end of this video, make sure in the comment section you let me know if you're a 1, or you're a 2, or you're a 3, or are you a 4. Or are you my combo, the combo that I'm loving. Let me know. Let's get into it. So let me show you what they look like. These are the shades. They are $20 each. And for the whole set, they're $65. And they have Bare Period. Y'all, sorry. They have Bare Period written on the actual label. And it just says gloss. Now, let me show you the applicator. So that's what the applicator looks like. Now, she did talk about the applicator in her video, so definitely go check it out. But y'all, we're gonna get right into it. We're not wasting no time. And let me pull y'all in a little bit so that y'all can see what they look like on your girl. All right. So we're gonna go into number 1. Do y'all see how dark that is? Oh. And they are not like tacky and sticky. So if you have long hair, you don't have to worry about it sticking, hair sticking all in it and all that stuff. So I went in it twice. And that is what it looks like. Now I feel like you can, like she said in the video, because of the applicator, you can, if you want more pigment, and you can build it up and get a little bit more pigmentation. And I feel like you can get a little bit more shine. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't this perfect? This, for me, this is perfect for the winter time. Like when I look at this kit, I feel like it is for everything and all year long, the whole kit. Perfect for winter time when I have on a nice orange sweater, gold sweater, brown sweater, cream sweater. You doing that gold eye or a nice neutral eye. You just want a little color on the lips. But you don't have to use a liner. Like, y'all see that? So this is number 1. Why I didn't tell y'all the color. The color is considered a rich chestnut. My bad, y'all. I done got too excited. I got ahead of myself. But this is considered a rich chestnut. Okay, now let's go on to number 2. All right, number 2 is considered a dark muted brown shade. So let's go ahead and put that on. Yeah, I can definitely tell the difference. This is like lighter. And I do feel like a little conditioning. Like, this one is the one that has like a hint of purple in it. And I can definitely see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I understand what she means about the applicator, because you gotta seem like you gotta go in a few more than normal. But some people, like, you know, they be going, ooh, y'all. I just looked in my monitor. So pretty. Ooh. Y'all know. Okay, let me stop. Ooh. Okay, first of all, if you've been here any amount of time, you know purple's my favorite color. I love a mauve eye. Picture this with a mauve eye look. It gives you just enough color, you know what I'm saying, to where it blends in, but it's not taking away from your look. Like, your eyes can do what it needs to do, and it just enhances that look. Oh my God. Ooh. That is super pretty. So this is number 2, y'all. Girl, oh, I gotta wipe it off. I like this one. I like this one. All right, y'all, this is number 3, and it is considered a corally peachy color. So, you know, we always looking for us a nice peachy nude. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Sis, thank you. Thank you. You know how hard it is to find a peachy corally nude that you don't have to use a liner for? Oh my goodness. Oh my good. This probably is my perfect nude. You see how it just blends in to my skin? Like, it's not doing too much. It has a, oh my goodness. Let me put a little more on it. Y'all. And they feel so good. Like, the formula is really, really good. And I like that it's not sticking. See? You ain't getting no snotty things. You know what they be when you wear lip gloss and have that long, snotty looking stuff. Y'all, I'm excited. I think if you've ever tried to find a perfect nude in your my skin tone, and you want to just be able to throw something in your purse and just put it on and go and not have to do all the extra, you understand how I feel right now. Because this is an answer to our situation, y'all. This is the answer right here. But this is number 3. Oh, she cute. She cute. All right, y'all. The next shade is number 4, and it is a creamy coffee. So that's what I'm saying. Like, even if you're a lighter skin tone, she got you covered. If you're brown and you're a brown girl, dark skin girl, she got you. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me without anything, and then I'm gonna show you how I rock it. And it definitely is that milkiness. So this is how it looks on me. Now for me, I could get away with this, especially if I tapped it down. But y'all, I don't even know what I call it, the milky glossy look. I don't know what they call it out in these streets, but we're gonna take number 1 and number 4. This is my combo that I've been rocking. I wore it today and yesterday. Now I normally put this on first, but since this is already on, we're just gonna do it. What the? Y'all. What? What you gonna say? What? Oh, okay. That's what, I know. She real cute. Y'all, I love this combo. Do you see this on me? Throw these 2 little lip glosses in your purse and be on your way. Y'all. Okay, we getting out of here, but I just period, as the young folks say. Y'all, let me back y'all up. Y'all, you have to get your hands. This is a must-have. This is a must-have. Y'all know, I don't be saying stuff. I don't say a lot of stuff is a must-have. This kit right here, or pick your favorite shade, but this is a must-have because it is doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it's doing its job. Y'all know how I feel about products doing their job. It's doing its job, y'all. I just feel like it's so beautiful. I feel like I can wear, and all of us could wear probably any of these colors, but not to have a lip liner and just lip gloss and go. Oh yeah, I'm here for that all day. So in the comment section, let me know if you're a 1, 2, 3, or 4, or you're a combo. And also, if you made it this far, hit the subscribe button so I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table, okay? And those that are subscribed, please put your notification bells on because, y'all, I'm excited for her, and I am excited to see what her next products are going to be. Like, y'all, y'all about to see, y'all gonna get tired of these glosses because this is a staple. This is bae, period. Bae, period. So, y'all, that is it. So, to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Yeah, check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. If